Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Art of Beyond the Algorithm podcast. If you have been reading the latest industry report from places like Gartner or McKinsey, you know the reality of AI now is pretty harsh, isn't it? You are seeing that over 80% of enterprise AI projects are failing to deliver real business value. What's the reason behind that? In some sectors like finance, only about 11% of firms are seeing any measurable ROI. Why is this happening? What is the reason behind that? That's because companies are getting stuck in pilot purgatory. Executives are under massive pressure from their boards to show returns and generate ROI, but they are hitting serious roadblocks. They are dealing with hidden infrastructure costs, major security risk from employees using shadow AI, and workforce that are simply resisting the changes. These are some of the examples of the challenges they are facing with. I am Dr. Alireza Dehbani, founder of the Art of Beyond the Algorithm podcast. For over 25 years, I have worked to bridge the gap between deep tech research and actual real-world industry applications, from leading R&D at Intel Movidius, leading computer vision and AI at GeoWorks, to heading Lighthouse project at Cedar Island National Center for AI, and mentoring several startups and SMEs with their AI strategy roadmap. I hold several US patents and publications in Edge AI, AI ethics, smart cities, computer vision, and so on and so forth, and being keynote speakers in several conferences and workshops. I have been fortunate enough to win the Smart Dublin Open Data Challenge in 2022, the Ireland AI Award in both 2022-4 and 2025, and being shortlisted for AI Person of the Year in 2025. But beyond the research and the awards, I have seen exactly why brilliant technology fails when it doesn't have the right business strategy behind it. And that's exactly why I have created this podcast for you. The Art of Beyond the Algorithm podcast is not about coding tutorial, and I'm not going to actually chase the latest AI hypes here. This show is built specifically for CEOs, CTOs, CIOs, and enterprise leaders and executives who need practical, grounded AI strategy for their AI transformation. Every Tuesday morning, I'm going to publish a new episode for you. I'm going to look at the real-world enterprise case studies and break down exactly how successful companies are finding real ROI, handling strict global and regional compliances like EU AI Act, and actually getting their workforce to be prepared and ready to use these tools. I will also do regular post-mortem episode on high-profile AI failures, so you know exactly what mistakes to avoid in your own business. My goal is to give you the template and the insight you need to scale AI safely and profitably. And I want this to be a two-way conversation, to be honest. I will be reading your comments, tracking the engagement, and answering your questions directly as we grow this community together. So please hit subscribe on YouTube, Spotify, or Apple Podcasts on the links below so you don't miss our episode that I am going to publish every Tuesday. Also, if you want to see where your company currently stands, head over to the podcast website through the link in the description. You can download our free 6-dimension enterprise AI readiness diagnostic toolkit. It takes just a few minutes for you and will show you exactly what might be holding your strategy back today. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to see you this Tuesday with episode 1.